Hello everyone, I'm Aratrika Bhaumek and I welcome you all to another episode of Courts Today on LiveLaw, where we update you about all the important legal developments that took place across the country today. We will begin with developments from the Supreme Court and then cover High Courts and other subordinate courts. If you like our content, please do support us and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In a significant development, the Supreme Court today granted interim bail to social activist Teesta Setalvad, who was under custody since June 26th over the alleged fabrication of documents to file cases in relation to the 2002 Gujarat riots. She has been asked to surrender her passport till the matter is considered by the Gujarat High Court. The order was passed by a bench comprising Chief Justice of India, U. Lalit, and Justices S. Ravinder Bhatt and Sudhashnu Dhulia after Setalvad moved the Supreme Court against a Gujarat High Court order which had given a long adjournment in Setalvad's bail plea while not passing any order of interim bail. We've covered this hearing in detail in an earlier video, the link to which has been given in the description box below. The Supreme Court today made it abundantly clear that it is not inclined to allow the petition filed by Suvenendu Adhikari seeking transfer of the election petition filed by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee out of the state of West Bengal. The Supreme Court opined that it cannot allow this choice of high courts. A bench comprising Justices D.Y. Chandrachud and Hema Kohli noted in the order today that Adhikari seeks to withdraw the transfer petition. It granted liberty to him to approach the concerned judge of the Calcutta High Court presiding over the trial of the election petition as and when the need arises to seek appropriate directions for orderly conduct of the trial. The Supreme Court today refused to entertain a PIL filed for the arrest of Syed Wasim Rizvi alias Jitendra Tyagi and Yati Narasinghanand in relation to the Haridwar Dharam Sansad hate speech cases. The court stated that a petition for criminal prosecution could not be filed under Article 32 of the Constitution. The PIL, along with praying for the arrest of the respondents, had also prayed for a ban on the sale and publication of the book Muhammad, authored by Syed Wasim Rizvi, who had later converted as a Hindu and had changed his name to Jitendra Tyagi, and for the court to restrain the respondents from making incendiary and hurtful remarks against Islam. The Supreme Court today allowed an NGO named We the Citizens to approach the union government with a plea seeking probe into the targeted killings of Kashmiri Pandits and Sikhs in Jammu and Kashmir back in 1990, which had led to their exodus from the valley. A bench comprising Justices B.R. Gawai and C.T. Ravikumar expressed their disinclination to entertain the matter and instead asked the petitioner to approach the central government and raise its grievances before the government. A writ petition filed by Rajya Sabha MP Dr. Subramaniam Swamy seeking to delete the words socialism and secularism from the preamble of the Constitution came up for consideration in the Supreme Court today. A bench comprising Justices Indira Banerjee and M.M. Sundaresh posted Dr. Swamy's petition along with a similar petition which is listed before the bench of the Chief Justice of India on September 23rd. The petition challenges the validity of the insertion of the words socialism and secularism in the preamble to the 42nd Constitution Amendment back in 1976 during the tenure of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. The Madras High Court today set aside the order of a single judge restoring the status quo ante in the AIDMK party as on 23rd June. The bench of Justice M. Duriaswamy and Justice Sundar Mohan passed the order allowing an appeal preferred by Palaniswamy. The appellants had contended that the order of the single judge was beyond the reach of law and virtually sets aside the order of the Supreme Court. It was also submitted that the General Council meeting held on July 11th, whereby a resolution was passed for the expulsion of Palaniswamy from the primary membership of the party and from his post as the treasurer was conducted after following due procedure. The Delhi High Court has allowed Bollywood filmmaker Hansal Mehta and others who produced the film Faraz to file the movie's entry for screening in the BFI London Film Festival. This particular film is based on the 2016 terrorist attack at Dhaka, Bangladesh. it has been embroiled in a legal battle with the family that had lost their daughters in the attack, who now fear that their daughters may be shown in bad light. In an order passed on August 31st, Justice Neena Bansal Krishna, while dealing with an application seeking interim injunction against the producers, allowed filing of the movie for screening at the London Film Festival, subject to the condition that the film shall not be screened either in India or abroad until the disposal of the application or without the prior permission of the court. The Delhi High Court has awarded ₹20 lakhs in favor of Vistara Airlines in a trademark infringement suit filed against a company selling identical keychains and baggage tags in the same color combination on a Chinese e-commerce platform called AliExpress. It was Vistara's case before the court that despite the e-commerce platform being mostly based in China, the website contains several listings which contain these particular baggage tags and keychains bearing the Vistara marks in the same identical color combination. The Delhi High Court, that is Justice Naveen Chawla, observed that the use of the Vistara marks not only amounted to infringement as well as passing off, but would cause dilution of the mark. Thank you. Keep watching Courts Today on LiveLaw for more such updates. If you like our content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.